game, we get that from the game.
The red card, talks about the red card, how much you thought that swinging the game against you?
I think it's a big loss for us. As you can see, there's a moment you get the red card, you can change it. I think, fatigue in that moment, and I think poor concentration from us led to that goal, and that put us back on our back. I think that prepared us for the performance. Nevertheless, I saw a way for positive. After the changes, play after the good for us. And, in a different position, different time of the game. I think those changes are in a different position. Nevertheless, we're grateful. We'll fight the next one.
The unforced, there was a number of unforced errors at the back, playing out from the back. I think that is that something you have to work on going forward.
It's human error. I guess Elvis was Amos first partner in the Premier League, so it's going to take a time to get that. We're going to win one day. And I said, we go out to enjoy more and we work. I'm sure we have other things to work on.
All right, coach. Today, last match today, coach. How big of a miss is your striker, leading striker, Javine Byrne?
I can't say Javine Byrne is good. I mean, we are one of the 5 because Hamilton is in a pitch. So it's a good problem to have. We have 3 strikers. I mean, Javine is okay, doing good, he's recovering from his injury, and also he has to come back yesterday. But nevertheless, I mean, moving forward well today, and forward, it is a point actually.
You lost to the champions today. Is there anything that you can take from today's game? Do you think that you close the gap on them today, or why you ask this?
As I said, we have to be a little bit more patient today at the start of the game. But, it's nerve. I mean, it's the second game of the tournament. I mean, we have rooms to improve on that. We hope that we're going to try more and get better for the next game.
Coach, General Thomas playing a big keeper. One of the most creative players on the pitch was this time around. He's a little bit deeper in the pitch. Is that tactical instruction or just the nature of the game?
Tough question, but as I say, I was a fantastic player. Based on how we deployed today, that wasn't the response. But I mean, the second game, we will get better. I mean, there are some things that we need to tweak, that there's something we do that different. But I mean, against Cavalier today, I thought we hold our own and we should go.
Substitute goalkeeper coming in, look really, really sharp, made some vital save. From your assessment, what do you think about the performance now that you're outgoed Kemar, going to the next game? Are you confident that he can get the job done?
It's a good problem to have. It's a good problem to have. I tell you what, any given day, any good people can be. I mean, young talent today. I mean, fantastic. But it's second game, so we have much to fix and much to go forward. Current conditions.
Elvis, tell us about the game. You conceded 2, your defense conceded 2 goals, and as I mentioned, coach, we saw some errors at the back that put the team under pressure. What you thought about the defensive performance and what you guys should do going forward?
Well, first, we just need to work hard in training. The errors, lack of communication, and we're down at our 1 now, so we're going to slow down the game. Well, time management. Time management is the biggest.
Well, you definitely believe that you guys can fix
in training you can fix that. Definitely can fix it.
Elvis, sorry, Cavalier next, you're a next tough one up, where are you looking forward to that one now?
Well, just have to work hard in training. Taking what the coach is telling us and just prepare for the game.
Before you leave Elvis, what are your personal objectives for this season?
Seeking a lot of clean sheets this season and hoping to get my first Premier League.
You have a number here you want to achieve? You on the defensive field?
Well, roughly about 20.
20? Yeah. Alright.
Coach, can you speak quickly on the Cavalier game coming up for us?
We just want to turn attention back to recovery and come back to the game. I don't see them play as it, so we have to assess them first and then I can get back to you. But we know over the years, I'm only up to one thing. It's a cross town derby, and we always look forward for it. So it's exciting. So we always look at good things.
Just want to ask Elvis one more question. Coach mentioned really forge that strong partnership that can really bring that foundation to really move forward and contest for the league.
Yes, we can work it out. He's young, he's strong. We just have to listen more and just work hard in training and we'll get better.
Alright, thank you, coach.